Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This is Siren 99. It's another rotating. It's on Van Nuys Boulevard and Foothill Boulevard in Lakeview Terrace. And let me show you a map. So those are some of the ones I've already been to, and that's where that is. Where this one is. So this is Siren 99, another rotating. So these were built in like 1954. It's a dual tone air raid siren. 60s they improved the design, the longer projection dish and motor cover. This is the 500T, and it was produced by Federal Sign and Sign Corporation until 1991. So that's some of the facts on it. And as far as the electrical, this one is a bit cut as well. So this one doesn't have any electric hookup to it. Another air raid siren of LA, Siren 99 and Lakeview Terrace. Another rotating. This one has no electrical. All right. Thanks for watching.